Hey guys, my name is Bhaskar and welcome to another BenTK FX breakdown tutorial. So I've been getting a lot of comments on YouTube about making more videos about BenTK's effects and how he makes them. So in this video, I'm going to recreate one such effect requested by Yakin Videos. So this is what the effect looks like. And this is what I'm going to create. So fire up the software and let's get started. So what BenTK did is he took this particular clip while moving forward down the alley. So he was going down this particular alley and he shot that video with perfect stabilization. He took a good shot of the entire alley and he was moving away from the camera and towards the alley. So that is also the kind of shot that you need to create this particular effect. You need a shot where the subject is either moving towards the camera or moving away from the camera. So you need either one of those shots. So for that particular reason, I'm going to use this particular clip. As you can see, we have a biker who is moving towards the camera and the video is perfectly stabilized. We're going to create the movement of the camera, the jitteriness in After Effects and give it a hyper realistic feel to it. So now let's dive into the editing part. So all you have to do is open your clip in Adobe After Effects, click on this drop down menu, then click on this transform drop down menu, and here you can see an option called position. So we're going to make changes to the position of this particular video. So first thing that you have to do is hover your mouse over this stopwatch icon near position here and then press Alt on your keyboard and left click on the stopwatch. This is very important, guys, and that is going to allow us to add an expression to our value here. As you can see, after clicking it, a new box has appeared. The values of our position has become red, which means now we will be able to add expression to this particular value here, and that is exactly what we are going to do. So click on this box and type in these exact same values. You have to type wiggle, open parentheses, enter these values and close parentheses. I'm going to put this expression in the description also so that you can just copy and paste onto your After Effects. But once you type in the values, all you have to do is just click on any open space on your After Effects timeline and your expression will be complete. As you can see, there's a lot of jittery movement into our videos now, which is exactly what BenTK did. But you might be noticing that our video is cropping a lot. A lot of black bars are visible on our video right now, which is not looking good. So to fix that, all you have to do is come down to scale here and change the scale, increase the scale, that the black bars are not visible anymore. Your video covers the entire frame. Now it is looking complete. Now the final thing that you can do is click on this motion blur icon to add some motion blur to your particular video. It gives it the hyper realistic vibe to it and makes it look super cinematic. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It gives me a lot of encouragement to make more videos and bring it to you guys. So stay safe, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.